The Immobilizer System Warning Light, commonly known as the ISW light, is a critical dashboard indicator that appears when your vehicle's anti-theft system detects a problem. The Immobilizer system serves as your vehicle's primary defense against theft. It prevents the engine from starting without the correct authorized key or key fob, making it nearly impossible for thieves to steal your car. The Immobilizer system consists of four core components working together. The engine control module acts as the brain, the transponder key contains an RFID chip, the antenna ring reads the key signal, and the immobilizer control unit manages authentication. The transponder key contains sophisticated electronic components including RFID chips and antenna coils. These components communicate with the vehicle's ignition system through electromagnetic signals. The ignition switch and antenna ring work together to read the transponder signal. When you insert your key, the antenna ring energizes the transponder chip and receives the authentication code. The engine control module contains sophisticated circuitry that processes immobilizer signals and makes the final decision whether to allow engine startup. This electronic brain coordinates all security protocols. Several factors can trigger the ISW light. The most common causes include key fob battery failure, damaged transponder chips, system malfunctions like faulty antenna rings, and environmental factors such as electromagnetic interference or water damage. Understanding these components and common failure points helps you recognize when the ISW light indicates a genuine security system problem that requires professional attention. When your ISW light activates, start with basic reset methods that can resolve many common immobilizer issues without professional tools. The key cycling method is often the first solution to try. Turn your ignition to the on position and leave it there for exactly 10 minutes. Then turn it off for 5 seconds. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times, then attempt to start your vehicle. Another effective reset method involves disconnecting your vehicle's battery. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15 minutes, then reconnect it and attempt your normal start procedure. Key fob battery failure accounts for 40% of ISW light activations. Replace your key fob battery with the correct type and perform any necessary relearning procedures. For more complex issues, professional diagnostic tools are required. Advanced scan tools can analyze the immobilizer system, perform key programming, and handle ECM reprogramming for software-related problems. Understanding the immobilizer system components helps with troubleshooting. The system includes the transponder key, antenna ring, control unit, and engine management system working together for vehicle security. Automotive security specialists recommend proactive maintenance. Replace key fob batteries every 2 to 3 years, keep spare programmed keys, and remember that 15% of no-start conditions are immobilizer related.